Are you frustrated by the 403 forbidden? Access is denied error in Google Chrome? You're trying to visit a website, but all you get is a cold message blocking your way. In this video, we'll guide you through several easy and effective solutions to help you get past the 403 error and back to browsing the web without a hitch. Solution 1. Refresh the page. Let's start with the simplest fix. Just refresh the page. Sometimes the 403 error is caused by a temporary glitch in the connection between your browser and the website's server. Press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac, or simply click the refresh button. A quick reload might be all it takes to restore access. Solution 2. Double-check the URL. Next, make sure you've typed the website address correctly. A small mistake in the URL, like an extra slash or a missing file extension, can send you to a page you're not supposed to access, triggering the 403 error. Take a moment to review the web address and ensure everything looks right before continuing. Solution 3. Clear your browser. Cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with how websites load and sometimes block access altogether. In Chrome, go to Settings, then to Privacy and Security, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time as the time range and check both cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Clear the data, then restart your browser and try visiting the website again. This refresh often fixes hidden issues caused by stored site information. Solution 4. Disable browser extensions. Browser extensions can be helpful, but they sometimes cause conflicts, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These extensions might block scripts or resources required by the website, resulting in a 403 error. Try turning off your extensions one by one to see if one of them is causing the issue. Solution 5. Update Google Chrome. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues. If you haven't updated Chrome in a while, that could be the root of the problem. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Once the update finishes, relaunch the browser and try again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our next guide. Thanks for watching and happy browsing!